are on our way to go a glamping site, which at Rembau, and it's called Buana Kita.
So how long are we going to stay there?
How long you want it?
Perhaps 3 days? We're actually staying for 1 night only. Bumper. Nonetheless, Atia will be our driver throughout the whole journey.
Thankfully, that going to Rembau just only take 1 hour from KL.
Yeah.
So without wasting our time, let's get started.
Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful.
1 hour later.
Hi guys, so we just arrived at Rembau. So we gonna eat our lunch at kedai makan Pak Rauh. So it's Farhana, Ain, Tean, and also Wina. So this is how
So Tia, what are we gonna doing next?
we're going to head going ahead to our camping site.
Camping site. Right.
Yeah.
So mana kita?
I just had the best
Masa lemak daging salai.
Yeah. Wina really love it. Me too.
So now we're gonna go to
Spiman.
Buana Kita. Oh, Spiman. I'm so sorry, I forget about that. I'm so sorry, guys. Because I'm so excited to go to Buana Kita. I forget to go to Spiman first.
Yeah.
My eyes.
Yeah, we have to buy ice first, and then
And then we go to Buana Kita.
yeah. See you.
See you at Buana Kita. Right. What you?
I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. Yeah, the magician's assistant in their dream. Oh.
Our campsite. So we're gonna do a tour for this camp. So let's go. Okay, let's start our room tour. This tent is quite big and quite convenient for a family because the facility was quite was fine. So let's get started.
So, in this tent, they also provide a drawer, which there's 2 compartments, so we can put our things or stuff in here. So, we also have a bed.
Yeah, they provide us 2 queen of bed. So you know what? This bed is so fluffy.
Zawina.
Okay, so this is I don't know what's it called, but we can actually hang our clothes here because they also provide us like 4 hangers. But I don't think that's quite necessary for us. So let's move on to last but not least, we have aircon here to make sure that we sleep at night cold and comfortable. So we are currently unpacking our things, as you guys can see later.
So we're gonna organize our snake that we bought yesterday at Eco Shop.
Yeah. We also have
Ice. So many snacks, you know. See?
we also bought this game, the funny game.
Flashback.
Hi guys, so we are currently at Eco Shop. So we want to buy some stuff and some snacks.
for tomorrow. But unfortunately, Fatiha cannot join us today because she has some other work to do.
So today we're gonna fill
This bucket with a lot of stuff.
Okay, let's go find some snacks.
Let's go.
What's your advice?
They are say that she need a slipper.
She need? Okay, I'll call her.
Alright. We now will confirm with Fea. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, Tia, do you need us to buy some slippers for you?
Yeah. Okay, so what color? What color slipper do you want?
Any color yang
Okay, so size? How about size?
This is 7, is it good?
I think I don't remember. Whichever size it is.
Alright. Choose one slipper for Fea because she said that she don't care about the colors.
Yeah, so we're gonna pick whatever.
We need to choose the cutest one. Oh, make it up, make it up. I want curry. Curry.
Yeah, you think?
No, I said I want tom yum. Tom yum one ada. Tom yum. So we take Maggi top. Big one. So 5 tops.
End of flashback.
We're going for archery.
Yes. Want to play archery? So we want to see lah whether we can play or not because actually
It's raining.
it's raining guys.
You know, we just need to go for it. Go for it, okay? Wait. I'm the president, I feel. I don't have any experience, but yeah. I'm gonna try, okay? I'm gonna do it like this. I'll try to do it like this.
Alright.
Hello.
One hour later.
That's the activity that we do from us.
Yeah.
So we're gonna continue it tomorrow. Yes, and actually tomorrow sold outdoor. So this night maybe we continue the indoor game in our tent. So okay, let's stay tuned for it. Stay tuned. Okay, bye.
8:01 p.m.
Okay, now we're gonna eat our dinner at Biang Lala Cafe.
Yeah.
So Fatiha. So we're gonna eat what, guys?
Spaghetti aglio olio.
Yes.
We have like buttermilk
Chicken.
Yeah,
rice.
buttermilk chicken
Fries
with rice.
and a variety of drinks. So what drinks that we have?
We have chocolate hazelnut, matcha, and the ordinary chocolate.
Yes. So we want to enjoy our dinner.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
To me were made by you, and planets keep.
Tomorrow.
Hi guys, good morning. So we actually just woke up from the bed. So sleepy. So we want to perform our prayer. Because actually we woke up at 7 a.m. We want to wake up at 6:30 a.m. but we
accidentally missed.
Yes, we accidentally.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Benar. Hi guys. So I don't know. We want to find a river, but actually we don't.
It looks like a never-ending road.
Yes. Actually so hot, but it's okay. The sun, the morning sun actually give us.
Wait.
No wonder yesterday. You know what? We smell a poo of the cow. You see? There is a.
There's
Yes, there is a farm cow field. You know. So yesterday, it's a very smell like a poo, like a cow poo.
It's not very bad.
Yes, I want to show you. the house. Look at the design. It's quite interesting. Yeah,
that's the Minangkabau, right?
Yep, it's a Minangkabau.
You see?
You know what? That is a very yes.
Minangkabau house.
Look at the roof. Additional information because here we are Negeri Sembilan, so that is a traditional of them, which is the Minangkabau's house. So the unique of this house is the roof. It looks like pools horns. Yeah. So let's continue to find the river.
A few moments later.
Oh,
So we here at the river. Right now, if you can see, we in the water. Oh my god! So cool!
One hour later.
Mga pusparon
Meanwhile.
so here the swimming pool that they provide for us, and now they playing the badminton. You can see that they play badminton. So now I'm alone.
So guys, we already picking our stuff and we're waiting for Zahwina.
Sorry.
Get ready.
Yeah. So these two playing with the toms. They are.
We're packing my bag.
They are packing her bag. Zahwin.
Sorry for being late. I'm not a pro makeupper, so I had to ask Alia for help.
So these two.
Three days later.
So guys, we have reached the end of our vlog. So let's conclude our 2 days, 1 night, our trip at Buana Kita. So so for you guys, I want to ask what activity that you guys enjoy the most?
I personally feel like I enjoyed badminton because it's been a while since I played an outdoor game with my friends. So I really enjoyed it. So personally for me, I enjoy ping pong and also at river because it was my first time trying ping pong with Fahana and with anyone else. So it was really my first time experience, and also for the river, it helps me to feel like reconnect more with nature. That's all.
For me, I think I love swimming because even I swim alone at the pool, actually it gives so much fun. So there's a lot of activity that we do actually.
Any recommendations?
So if you're planning a short getaway with your family or friend, because of your hectic work lifestyle, we highly recommend Buana Kita since all activities are free. In this trip, I can say we can get adventure, games, and reconnect with nature. That's all from me. That's all from us for our trip. Don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to like,